20 seconds and counting. T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6.
On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong's historic footstep on the lunar surface ignited a chain reaction of scientific advancements, technological innovations, and social inspiration. It sparked a renewed sense of exploration, pushing humanity to reach new frontiers. It removed barriers and completely changed the way we look at life itself. So what can change with just one step? Well, everything.
That isn't collapsed too far, but it's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
One step, one rule, Topstep.